Hey y'all, hey, it's Reese. Welcome back for a quick little video. Let me say thanks to my old subscribers. Welcome to the new ones. New subscribers, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will know every single time I come through with a new video. So with that being said, we are going to go ahead and get right into this video. And of course, I have my same wig on that seems to be making everybody mad, but they still wear the same clothes over and over and over. Yeah. But anyway, so I was watching, Liv's video. She did a live where she was actually in her car, I guess, rolling on down the boulevard. And Liv said that she had to vent. So I said, okay, I'm listening, Liv. Go right ahead on and vent. She said, when things are basically going good, it's always something that has to mess up. And Liv, I gotta agree. That is so true. So true. No, she was driving and she said that her car, her Mercedes power steering light has come on. So of course, she's upset because it's like she says she's trying to do all these different things and this happens. But we already know what Liv is trying to do. Most likely she's trying to get into a house or a townhome or whatever. Or she's trying to start something more with her eyelash business. But that's about it. You get what I'm saying? But she think that, we don't know that, but it's just common sense. She says she's moving. Okay. So anyway, like I said, y'all already know Liv has been doing excellent. And she said that she is tired of people saying that she is not into the drama and that she, hasn't came out with any. Okay? But, Liv, I'm telling you, it's a good look. It is really a good look for you. Now, she goes on to say that she's going to take her car to, I guess, her family mechanic. And this is what I have to say. She also mentioned that, yeah, jealous bitches going to say, well, I told you about that car and this and that and this and that. But Liv, I'm going to school you on something. And I think this is I done told you this a couple of times. All right, so right off the bat, your car is a 2012, okay? That is really the age of a child that can stay at home by themselves. A lock-key kid. You get what I'm saying? So what I'm trying to say to you is your car is a 2012. I don't think too many people are, jealous of you because you are driving around in a 2012. Girl, you should have never told nobody that. You should have kept that little bit to yourself. If that was the case, Liv, I ain't even gonna lie to you. You should not have even showed it. Your car on any of your social media platforms. I mean, hey. So, you tend to say, that you are a boss. You tend to say that you are that bitch. But let's take it back, okay? So, when you bought your car, you said that you paid cash for it. You wanted everybody to know that you paid cash for it. So, my subscribers, I just want to let y'all know that Liv paid cash. Cash. Paper. Okay, the green ones. For her Mercedes. Alright. So, being as though that Liv has not ever had a luxury car, she did not know, basically, what she was doing. And it's not just because, Liv, you say a Mercedes is just because. No, honey, it's with any luxury car. When you have a luxury car, like you said, you need to have coins, money. Yeah, you do. Okay? But most people, which is fine. I know you didn't go to the Mercedes dealership and buy your car completely off the lot. That is what you should have done. So I'm giving you this tip. If you feel as though you want to get another luxury car, then I would go to the actual dealership. I would not buy off the lot on a corner from someone who basically probably is selling you a drug dealer car, which has been ran up and down everywhere, and it's not even a good car. It just looks good. I mean, that's my opinion, okay? So when that happened and you paid for cash, the best thing that you should have done was take your car to the Mercedes dealership and pay for an extended warranty or a warranty, okay? That's what you should have done. So this is how this kind of works. When you have a Mercedes and it's not working, normally what you would do is call them with your roadside assistance, and wherever you are at, they will come get your car and they will deliver it back to the Mercedes dealership. Okay. So for me, you get what I'm saying? How it normally works is, if my car is broke or whatever is wrong or whatever the issue is, get in my car, drive it up to the Mercedes dealership, drive on in. They say, Miss Reese, what's going on with your car? You tell them what's going on with your car. They say, okay, Miss Reese, go ahead and inside. So you sit down, right? When you sit down, most of these luxury car places, there is one person that you will get the whole time that you have your car, unless they get a new job or they are off. So every time something is wrong with your car, they are the ones to deal with it. So they say, come on over. They ask you the problem or whatever. They say, okay, keep your phone on. We will either call you or we will text you. Then they say, go ahead and wait. We'll get you squared away. So you wait there for 5 minutes or so. Then they call you again, Miss Reese, can you come on out? You go right ahead on out. They give you the key to the loaner that they are getting ready to give to you, okay? So therefore, you ain't got to stop what you're doing. You got stuff to do. You can go ahead and do it because you have a loaner car now. That's why you buy your car from the Mercedes dealership, the BMW dealership, the Lexus dealership, okay, the Jaguar, all those different luxury cars, okay? So you kind of like, I don't kind of know what you be like kind of doing. You get what I'm saying? But yeah, that's normally how it works. So just a keynote, when you get ready to do this whole luxury thing again, then go ahead and take my advice. See, Liv, this car, this 2012 Mercedes that you got, I hate to tell you, but it's a 2012. I think that it's on its last leg. I think that you might as well go ahead and RIP that and, let it take a break. Let it go ahead and simmer down for good. All right? You might as well just go ahead and give that to, like the School of the Blind and Deaf for free. Stuff like that. I'm just saying, I'm be honest with you. It is what it is. You get mad at you want, you know what I mean? I know other people, they're going to get real mad because they say I'm like bougie and, stuck up. But hey, I don't know. Yeah, I wouldn't be able to do it. I'm just telling the truth. It is what it is. You can hate it or you can like it. You can watch this video or you don't have to watch it. Oh yeah, and by the way, people, I keep forgetting to tell y'all, this is a reaction video. Okay, so if you don't like reactions, that's what I do over here. Then go ahead and escort yourself off to another channel. Because if you don't do it, then that means that you like what's going on over here. Okay? All right, so Liv said that, you know, everybody thought it was real, real funny when she decided to pick up the call and proceed to give her 4 digits of her last social security number. Yeah, that's what she said. So Liv said that when people call, being as though she's like, you know, an honest person and, you know, stuff like that, that when people call and they tell her that, you know, they're the police or something like that, or, you know, the marshals or whatever, she says, you know, that really scares her. So therefore, she's thinking basically that it's real. Liv went on to say, well, you know, I'm going to say she said that she's not throwing no shade, but we clearly know what Liv is throwing right now. She said, well, you know, she has never, ever been in trouble with the police, okay? Liv said that she does not, I repeat, does not have warrants out for her arrest. Could she be talking about that person who wears the same thing over and over and over? All right, I ain't gonna be petty. Okay. She says that she pays her rent, so she doesn't have to go to court for rent. All right, Liv, you said that, you know, you was just saying or whatever. But, okay, I'm going to just go ahead and take it, Liv, for myself that, you know, I'll take it for you that you being petty, but you not, okay? So she says that she has not committed any type of fraud, okay? She says that she has been working on her credit to get it where it is right now, and she is actually proud of what she's doing. And that's what she says. She says a lot of times when she says things, and I'm going to be honest, they even fit the other person's shoes. She says that she's not trying to make that point. She is just trying to tell you where she came from, okay? And that she's happy about it, all right? But, I mean, it does seem like she's throwing shade, but like she said that she's not. But it's such a coincidence that, you know, everything that she speaks about, yeah, y'all already know. So, my thing is this, Liv. Nobody is going to call you and ask you right over the phone for your social, your address, your banking account, your car, your tag number, your kid. Nobody is going to do that. So, when a person does call you with that information, you should know right away that that is a fraud, and to hang up immediately. Half of the times, if I don't even know the number, I'm not even answering the phone. I'm just not doing it. All right, so I'm going to give you an example of what you're doing, okay? So your phone rings, and you're like, hello? The person on the other end says, yes. This is CPS, Child Protective Services of Florida. I am calling in reference to case number 7777. I will be there in the next 15 minutes to pick up your kids, have them ready and at the door, okay? Here go you on the other hand, like what you just did, okay? Would you like me to pack them extra clothes? Or would you like me to pack snacks? Would you like me to send them some money for the weekend so they'll have something to spend? Hello, ma'am? Yes, we'll be there to pick them up. Here go you. Okay. That didn't make sense to you, did it, Liv? All right. So that's kind of sort of what while we looking at you like real crazy, because if you call me and tell me to get my kids ready, I'm getting ready to come pick them up, I'm completely going to hang up immediately because my kids are not going anywhere. Just as when someone called and asked you for your social, you should have thought about it immediately and you should have said, oh no, that's my social. I don't give my social number out to anyone. It's just an example. I'm just saying. But yeah, Liv, I mean, we not laughing at you. Yeah, well, I gotta take that back. We are laughing at you because it's no way in the hell that you did not know or have never heard of not giving your social out to anyone unless it is the appropriate person to give it to. So, with that being said, I am going to go ahead and jump off of here. Thanks to all of my old subscribers. Welcome to my new subscribers. New subscribers, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will know what every single time I come through with a new video. Until the next video, guys, see you later.